hair for langga because after 3 months or more than 3 months.
क्या कर रहा है बोले रोटी You make sign of heart.
I make. How many months? 3 months more than I think na. August, September, October. July, maybe July. How much now this one if you go in barber shop for cutting?
No problem about barber shop, but if you go there, must be have to inform police now.
Yeah. Even one time Langga did not go in barber because maybe if Langga will go in barber, then everybody will afraid.
Ah, police will. It's not. Just I keep this one here around little.
Malkat na dar, little na dar, no good na hair. How dar? No. How? No good. You will not buy machine also? How much dar in barber now cut hair?
But very hard to get him there.
Yeah, no there. Cannot be no. Really hard, really.
And he cannot sit down there. He cannot
No more.
see things
No,
in front of him.
Yeah, cannot be, I know.
He cannot allow.
But when you was there in Saudi, we survived with Fahad. Sometimes I'm alone cut with him using only scissor. But that time there is no machine, na? There is machine also, but he don't like this machine. So I'm using only scissor for 4 years.
Machine from wrong side.
Eh?
Then too much pain, no?
No, but that is another kind of machine. I think that one first time machine you buy.
And that one, there is another machine I have read. That one I have.
Which one?
From Saudi. I read.
Red? I don't know. There also no inside no. Machine. When I go Philippines also, I bring also one machine. No? Yeah. Little bit more there you cut hair no. Not make bald no. Then it's more. It's look more good.
No, why you don't like
Little no, not only little no that.
Plus.
It's more good looking no if you remove more hair. Kukuhan natin si Langga. Pagkatapos niyang gupitan, ito pinaliguan ko na, tapos na siyang maligo. So ito kukuhan ko kasi medyo mahaba yung kanyang kuko. Hindi naman masyado mahaba oh. Pero kukuhan ko na lang. Kasi palagi ko naman siya kinukukuhan. Pero ang best talaga na pagkuko ay every Friday. Every week, every Friday. Your feet lang ga. I'll check your feet. Ayan yung kanyang paa ay hindi mahaba. Kasi kakukuko lang eh. Last lang Friday. Ayan. Tapos ko nang kinukuhan si Langga. Ayan. Natapos ko nang paliguan si Langga. Oh. Ayan. Tapos yung kuko niya. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Kaya fresh na si Langga. So, ayan. Ako nagpaligo kay Langga. Sabi nila kaya siya magpaligo. Kaya si Fahad sabi ko ako na lang. Kaya sabi ko hanggang buhay ako papaliguan ko si Langga. Ayan. Yung kuko niya okay lang. Yung dito sa paa. Ayan. So another. What you put in your mouth Langga? Anda. Bagong gupit si Langga. Ayan, matutulog na si Langga. Kasi bago siya gupitan, pinakain ko muna siya. Kasi hindi maganda pag paliguan siya na kakakain. So, after 1 hour or 1.5 hour, pinaliguan ko siya. Pero, ginupitan muna siya ni Lakay. Kaya bago siya gupitan, napakain ko na siya after 30 minutes. Before, before last night, one day nung kagabi, hindi kagabi, before last night, inatake siya ng kanyang epilepsy. So, ayun, fresh na si Langga, matutulog na. Nung inatake siya, hindi siya nakatulog masyado ng gabi. So, kagabi, maganda yung kanyang tulog.